Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video we're gonna explain you how to play the game of hearts. Let's start with the playing cards. You need all the 52 playing cards for a game of hearts. You can remove the jokers from the card deck. You have to collect as few points as possible. All the heart cards are 1 point and the Queen of Spades is worth 13 points. Shuffle the cards well and distribute the cards among the players. If there are 4 of you, each player gets 13 cards. Now you can start playing the game. So the goal is to have as few points as possible. So you don't want to collect hearts and you also don't want to collect the Queen of Spades. Each player now has 13 cards. You can pick 3 cards and pass them on to the player on the left. You can now pass on your hearts or your Queen of Spades, but you can also choose to hold those cards for yourself so that you can decide how you can get rid of those points. Because we want to keep it honest, is in the first round the 3 cards are being given to the player on your left. But in the second round you give the 3 cards to the player on the right. And if you play with 4 persons, in the third round you can give the 3 cards to the opposite player. The same applies in the fourth round, where there are no cards being given. And then in the fifth round you can start again by passing the cards to the left. There is one exception where you don't want to pass the points, and that is if you are able to collect all points in the rounds for yourself. So this is a bit risky, but if you start playing and you collect all the points for yourself, each player is given 26 points at the end of the round. And you have 0. The rating of the cards is from high to low: Ace, King, Queen, Jack, and then the numbers 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, etc. Decide in advance up to how many points you will play. Let's say we will play up to 100 points. The player with the lowest points wins the game. So in hearts you have to admit color. Let's do a round of examples. Player 1 comes with an ace of clubs. Player 2 has no clubs and dumps the king of hearts. Player 3 has clubs and so he gives the right color and comes out with the 7 of clubs. Player 4 also has clubs and comes out with a 10 of clubs. So this hand is for player 1 and he scores 1 point. This continues until the players run out of cards. At the end of the round, everyone counts their own points. The player with the lowest points gets to distribute the cards for the next round. And this is how you play a game of hearts. Thank you very much for watching and I will see you in our next tutorial. Thank you.